In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 28th January 2021 and the day would be Friday. Now today was the monthly expiry of January month, and in yesterday's video I clearly said the market wants to go positive, at least 38,000 level in Bank Nifty and 17,300 level in Nifty will come, and I'm saying this for the previous 2 or 3 videos. You can go back the videos I'll give you in the cards in the top right section. You can watch from there. So you can see today it has made a typical expiry candle. The call premiums, the call seller dragged the market down, the put sellers dragged the market up and closed somewhere in between where the max pen is, and that is typically a candle. So it was typically expiry candle, so nothing much to say about this. But now, since the next major event that we can see is February 1, where the budget. So before that we can expect some rally in the budget, and 18,000 level can be expected near or after budget. So we can expect some move from here, that is about 4.5 to 5% move we can see from here. So what we can do tomorrow is, you can see from here it gap down. Now this was the level from where it gapped down. It gapped down, it broke the low initially, tried to recover, came down, took support near this level, near the previous low, and then slow and steady went up with neckline star formation or the staircase pattern. But one thing to note is that Nifty is still weak. Now why it is weak? Because it couldn't fill the gap. So 17,300 is going to act as strong resistance. If Nifty opens flat from here and starts going up, then we can buy tomorrow with 20 to 30 point stop loss, and our target would be this gap of 17,300. So that will be the first target in Nifty. And if this crosses this highest taken out, then we can go aggressive, and our target will be 17,500 level, maybe in next 1 or 2 days, and 18,000 level that I'm expecting, that is on or after budget, or the pre-market rally or the pre-budget rally can take it to 18,000. So that is a case of event. What we can happen is uncertain, but as per technical analysis we can buy, and 17,300 could be our target tomorrow. Now one thing is that if it opens with a gap up like near 17,300, so if it opens with a 100 plus point gap up, then it may come down a little bit, but it will not fill this gap, and somewhere from there to 250, 17,250 or 270, from there it will reverse and it will break this high. Then also we are going to buy, again keeping 20 to 30 point stop loss, and our target would be 17,500. So I'm looking long from here as it has made a good base and the low is well maintained, so I can expect some up move from here. But things will change if it opens with a gap down of more than 100 point. So if there is a gap down of more than 100 point, it will again come and test this low. So 16,850 level can come again. So in that case we can just look for a price action, and after gap down, if it doesn't hold 17,000 and closes below 17,000, 1 5-minute candle, then below the low of that candle we can sell, and our target would be 16,850 immediately. So that's what we can do. But the gap down probability is less, and we are expecting an up move from here only. Now look at Bank Nifty. Now looking at daily chart, you can see that it opened gap down, maybe around 700 point gap down it opened, and from there it has made a steady uprise. So banking sector is strong at this moment, and you can see Nifty IT and Nifty Metal, these two sectors I'm looking, because they have made a fantastic direction, and IT is making base, though it has not confirmed, but it is making base. So from here, IT can go up. So I'm looking to invest in IT if I am to invest. And metal is also gave a good correction, and from here we can expect some up move. But banks are really strong. It is showing the sign of strength. When this fall came, at that time also I said that this low will be maintained, and next day it closed higher. And in yesterday's video also I said that we can expect some higher move, and even 38,000 can come tomorrow, and that's what it happened today. Despite the expiry, 38,000 level came and closed slightly below it. So tomorrow, as soon as it crosses 38,000, we are going to buy above 38,000. We are going to buy, and we will keep a 60-point stop loss, and our target would be 38,500. These levels. So 38,500 levels will be our target, or at least 38,300, or 1:3, 1:4 will be our minimum target initial, and we can expect 39,000 level to come, and 40,000 level near or after expiry. So my target would be 40,000 level from here. So 40,000 will be my target before or after expiry. Even it can go further higher. You don't know. 41,000 level can also come if the budget is good, or even the all-time high of 41,800 can be tested if budget is good. But till I'm not looking if the budget is good or not. But as per technicals, the immediate target would be 39,000 or 38,500. So tomorrow, what we can do now, you can see that this gap, it opened with a gap down. It crossed the 15-minute high and then steadily went up, and it has crossed the gap, filled the gap, and gave a strong closing above the gap. So bank nifty is much positive than nifty. That's what I'm saying. It's strong. So if tomorrow it opens somewhere in between this candle and starts going up, so as soon as it crosses, we are going to buy with 60-point stop loss, and our target would be minimum 1:3, 1:4 on the upside. If it opens gap down near 38,400, then we are going to see some volatile market between 38,000 and 38,500. So in that case, not much will be left for tomorrow, but we can expect some volatile market. But if it opens gap down, we like near 37,800, if it opens 37,800 or below it, then we can sell, but we are going to keep 50-point stop loss, and our target would be 1:2 maximum, because at each level there will be support. So every dip will be bounced back, and chances of stop loss getting triggered on the short side. So that is what my prediction is, what my analysis is for tomorrow. So let's look at the stocks. The first stock is Rec Limited. You can see it was kind of a double bottom pattern. It is going up, from there it fell, and you can see the higher bottom is established here, and from there it fell. It is going up. Now it can come a bit down and then go up, but if it crosses this high, then we can buy. We can buy above 135, keeping a 2 to 3 point stop loss, and 5 to 6 points will be our target on the upside. The next stock is Kotak Bank. With the bank being the strong sector now, and Kotak Bank, after building a strong base, you can see it has formed some W pattern and went up. It came and then again is going up. So the moment for Kotak Bank can go further higher from here. So we can buy Kotak Bank above 1900, keeping a 10-point stop loss, and our target would be 20 point on the upside. The next stock is GAIL India. Now it was a sign of buy, but from here the bulls fell and the bears dragged the market, and if it continues fall, then this low can come again, or maybe it can go further beyond that. Below 140, we are going to sell GAIL, keeping a 2-point stop loss, and 4 point to 5 point will be our target on the downside. The next stock is Divi's Lab. You can see the low of 3800 is maintained, but it has been making lower lows from here, and It was sign of chance of reverse back, but it is reverting again. So if it continues, then this level can be tested again. So below 3920 we are going to sell Divis Lab, keeping a 10-point stop loss, and our target would be 20 point on the downside. And a disclaimer that all these videos are for educational purposes and all the levels are given for educational purposes. You should trade with your own thoughts, and you should consult your own financial advisors. These trades are not recommendations. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.